morning, YouTube. Welcome to the Gym of All Trades channel. I am driving to work. I'm late, but I don't want to leave you hanging. Late getting the video out, that is. But I don't want to leave you hanging. I want to give you some price updates today and talk about market psychology a little bit and just try to see if I can help you out a little bit. So glad you're here. Don't forget, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you how to spend your money. I'm showing you how I spend mine, okay? Don't have any charts to show you today. If you need a chart, I'll be posting one later on in the Litecoin swing trading community on Facebook. If you just go to Facebook and type in Litecoin swing trading community, we'll come right up. Add yourself, and we'll accept you. Make sure you fill out all 3 questions. We reject anybody that doesn't answer the questions, okay? That's meant to keep out spammers and whatnot. So it's a really awesome trading community. Just created a Discord. It's not very active yet, but we got a bunch of people just joined last night. Feel free to find the Gym of All Trades Discord. I won't be able to put a link in the description, but if you search for it, you should be able to find me. All right, so price basically, we got a bounce here. Got a couple things to think about with Litecoin as we think about it. We got a bounce at about 131, 130, something like that. It's been going sideways over the last night. Basically, it's been making an A and a B, most likely, an A and a B. So that means we're going up for a C right now. Your price targets are looking for, if this is an ABC, then your price targets are going to be, excuse me, between 138 and 140. The 1-to-1 extension is about 138, and the 140 is at the 1276 extension. If you don't know what that means, don't worry about it, but that's basically, those are 2 targets for corrective levels. All right. If we make it up to 142, if we get up to $142 on this run, this is not an ABC, but rather it's a 1-2, and we're making a 3 wave. That means it's more upside, okay? So there's more upside, and we're going to make a new high. We're going past 144, which was our high. I mentioned that the other day. I didn't see how we were going to go past 144 in that current wave, and we didn't. We barely went through it, but now the question is, do we have more downside, or are we going to go up and make a new high from here? So that's how you tell. If we stop at 140, 138 to 140, and we bounce down, then we are heading down for more. And I'll give some price targets later on. I'll give some charts in the swing trading community. So make sure you join so you get those extras if I'm unable to put them here on the video. All right. But if we go past if we make it to the 142 level, most likely we're heading up to make a new high, and I'll give you the price targets as well. But we'll be going up towards the 150 mark. So anyway, be looking at that. Now, some of you were really FOMOing the other day. You know, some of you missed your entry. I missed my entry, and we had to watch that run up from 125 up to 144, and that's a frustrating thing to have to watch, especially when it keeps going up relentlessly. And I have a rule: I do not, if I miss my entry, I just don't jump in unless I know where it's going, and I wasn't sure how far we were going up, so I didn't jump in. So that's a rule I have. So I don't, because if my money's not in the market, I don't lose. So we want to make sure that we're controlling our emotions through our trades. We got to make sure that we have defined rules that keep us out of trouble. Because if you trade on your emotions, this market will kill you. You might win some every now and then, but you're going to lose, and you're going to lose big. And I know that for a fact. I know that firsthand. So keep your emotions under control. If you just notice, price always comes back. It always comes back. It's not going to go so far out of hand that it's going to get so far away from you. And price came back yesterday, and everybody was sighing a relief. And so just want to remind you of that. Don't forget, if you miss and price starts moving along, just relax. Just relax. Just chill. Wait for the retrace. It'll happen. It may take a little bit, but just wait it out, and it'll happen. We still have a large move to happen. We have to determine whether the wave that just was created was the beginning of that large move, or is there something more? So we'll be looking at that. I might make a video with a chart tonight, just because I was unable to do it today, and you had to see me driving to work this morning. So anyway, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I didn't get a chance to look at Bitcoin, but it's looking very similar to Litecoin. It could be a corrective wave, but it might be motive, so we have to find out. We have to wait and see. I'll do an update video on Bitcoin a little later tonight when I have the time, okay? All right, you guys have a fantastic day. Go ahead and like this, subscribe it for me. Just help me build the channel. Appreciate it, and you guys have a great day.